So what's going on, everybody? I know it has been a while since I made a video and kind of had to take some time off, and unintentionally actually, because I just wasn't quite, mentally there to, keep putting out content. Right now, I feel like sometimes you have to kind of take a step back, and that's just what ended up happening. So I hope you guys are doing well. I did mention before in previous videos that I was doing some upgrade in the, behind the scenes and everything, being able to produce more videos. And so I made a purchase for myself and for my channel, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm pretty sure you can tell. Obviously, it's in the thumbnail, so I gotta kind of like do the whole surprise reveal in the video. I don't know why, but just something I enjoy doing. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see here, I have the beautiful MacBook Air here. So I actually have some thoughts that I would like to share with you guys later in the video. So if you want to stick around and hear my thoughts and future decisions, definitely stick around towards the end of the video so you can kind of see where I stand in my perspective on what's going on with the MacBook releases. So of course, you guys, that I enjoy unboxing things with you, so I had to make a video with it because I thought it would go a little bit more towards what I think as to why MacBooks weren't released. Of course, this unboxing and me making this big purchase has a lot to do with what's currently going on with the MacBook 2021 release dates and the production of those MacBooks or laptops. One more thing before I unbox this one, I made this purchase yesterday, so this is kind of fresh in my hands. I'm very excited. I waited to open it with you guys from my purchase yesterday, but I couldn't wait another day, of course, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing now. Typically, everyone already knows is that when it comes to packaging and presentation, Apple pretty much has that on lock, and that's no different any other time than this one. And so, of course, here's the MacBook. It's a lot. It's actually a little heavier than I thought. Okay, but I like that. I like a little weight. It gives me an idea of more of a premium quality. That's not always true, but it's definitely true when it comes to the MacBook Air right here. So now I put that to the side, and of course, we have our paperwork right here. These MacBooks have been out for about 7 months now. So, I'm pretty sure everyone has seen the unboxing of this, but gotta do it for myself. I enjoy doing things for me. Next, underneath we have the USB-C to USB-C cord right here. More than likely I'm gonna get another one because I always keep the one that comes inside the box in there as backup. So I should have purchased another one when I was there, but it's all good. I'll just get another one of these. And we have the power adapter. So I always purchase additional accessories, and they became my primary use, and I just left the ones that came in the box inside the box. So that's pretty much going to be it here. Now, when it comes to packaging, I'm pretty OCD about it. So I usually keep everything, and when I mean everything, I do mean everything. So I'm going to just slide this out, the wrapping. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it's so nice. Okay. All right, so we have the beautiful MacBook Air here, and I am definitely oozing with excitement right now. This is my first MacBook purchase, and if you guys don't know, I am a PC person, but as of late, I really enjoyed you know, the updates that I've seen for MacBooks and Mac OS. And so I've been carefully thinking about, you know, how Mac OS would work for me. Now, of course, with me making videos now and doing photography, all those things made the MacBook more appealing. And I saved up for it. That was another thing that I had to do. But again, I have more thoughts about, you know, why I went ahead and purchased this one. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. You heard that sound, like, oh, like the automatic powering on is so dope. That's really nice. Okay, so I'm actually going to set it up off camera and everything. I really want to make this video fairly quickly, so I'm going to go ahead and just have
English as the main language. Press the return key.
okay, we might have to power her down for now. Okay, so now the unboxing is done. Let's go ahead and talk about why I went ahead and purchased the M1 MacBook Air. Now, this is the 512 gigabyte version. I originally wanted to get the 256 gig, but with internal storage, I may be using a little bit more of that than, you know, expected. So I want to be safe than sorry. Even though I have external SSDs. Yes, they are truly a backup, but sometimes, you know, things happen. So, you know, it doesn't hurt to have extra internal storage. Secondly is WWDC 2021. Apple did not mention that they will be releasing the MacBook M1X or M2, and that's including the 14 and 16 inch MacBooks. Now, me personally, I was really excited for that release. The 16 inch, I'm just going to tell you, you know, go big or go home. 16 inch version, one that I was going to get, and I was going to, you know, probably go with the base model. So that didn't happen. I was kind of devastated. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I was very upset about it. As you probably already know, the rumors and everything that was going on, very credible, and it looked like it was going to happen. Heavily anticipated to see what the specs are going to be, the redesign, all this good stuff, and Apple just like, nope. All in all, you know, leaks and rumors are, you know, good things in a way, because it kind of keeps everybody on their toes, in my opinion. I was kind of in a bit of a, you know, funk, if you will, or, you know, just not feeling it with, you know, constantly filming on my iPhone and editing and uploading from my iPhone. It just became a bit cumbersome. Now, don't get me wrong, the process is still easy, but I just was ready to kind of upgrade my whole setup and, you know, how I upload and how I film. So that is something I have been working on and have been anticipating to do for several months now. I really couldn't wait any longer, and I took a few days, almost a week, really, to really think about it, and it just felt right. So anyway, long story, I really wanted to go ahead and get started with getting familiarized with Mac OS as well as MacBook Air. I do think this MacBook I will enjoy. I have heard nothing but great things about it. I got this one from Best Buy and very excited. Couldn't be happier with the customer service. So another thing I wanted to mention in the video as to why the MacBook was such an important and necessary purchase for me is because I'm so ready to film on my Sony a6400 right here. So definitely need to put this piece of expensive equipment to work, as well as my Fujifilm XS10 camera. So definitely excited to check this out because the autofocus is really good. So that's another thing I have been holding off on doing is, you know, reviews for lenses as well as this camera body. I definitely will have this video coming soon now. So I really want to make sure that good energy comes through in my videos and in those reviews and in other videos as well. So last thing I want to mention here in this video is the fact that I'm still excited for the new MacBooks that are rumored to come out either later this year or early next year, because I need that 16-inch MacBook in my life. But once again, I'm just not excited about that price. So when it comes to prices, for me at the time, I did have a limited budget, and I didn't want to exceed that budget. So I really think it all seemed to work out. And, you know, sometimes you got to look at things as an investment, which I tend to do with everything that I do for myself and for my channel. So, all right, you guys. So, you know, with all that being shared with you, I hope everyone's doing well. And thank you for, you know, sticking around. New subscribers, thank you. Welcome. I'm glad you joined me and joined us. So looking forward to this whole revamp or refreshing is something that I really, really needed for me. Stay tuned, you guys. I do have a lot coming. I know you have been waiting. I know I have said that quite a bit, but now we are definitely on the upward. So yeah. All right. I will definitely check you guys out in my next video. Peace.